won by a margin of 7 points. So it could be a good game. There is a Jaisurya in. For that team, I would love to invite Naveen here.
Can you believe this? As, as Subhash Kumar gives the go ahead. Why, Jaisurya? I wanted you to start. Ghanshyam.
Maybe they wanted to have a silent war there, Naveen, rather than just putting up front.
Oh yeah, Cold War. Maybe, you never know. Oh well, what a situation. What a situation.
Maybe it's because Jaisurya in. I somehow feel it's their day. I haven't seen their form in the last 15 days, but I still feel it's Junior Steelers today.
Ah, right. And look at this form you spoke of. The Tuskers are coming in with 1 loss, 1 tie, 1 loss. So no wins in the last 3 matches. Jaisurya, first point on the left cover. Easy got a bonus +1. No bonus, only touch point. And that left cover, Shekhar Sankar. Yeah, does not go back in. He's not
That's
a
an
Tusker.
easy touch for Jaisurya. But then I think by heart he should be one. Because he's got elevated from.
Radhika, even after that form of the Junior Steelers, you still want to go.
I'll tell you one thing, Naveen. I love the way you gave the intro for Palani Tuskers. It looked like I was seeing some Sanjay Bansali's movie.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at this, Radhika! Because of your support, it's bonus +3. India won star moment of the match. And it's a 4-pointer from Ghanshyam Magar. Oh my God. Definitely Sanjay Bansali Saab. Yeah, if he understands Kabaddi, he'll be really happy with this raid.
Look at that. A bonus and Shaktivel did not have the grip. This is what is the problem. India won ATM star moment is, of course, that's there.
Kind of had that language issue with Nitish Ramaya with the Yuva Paltan. Kicks and oh, hang on, has he gone through? I don't think so. They will discuss this, Radhika. They will discuss
it's
this.
a super tackle.
What do you think?
It's a super tackle, I guess.
Oh, right. That is a quick one from you, even though it was against your white brigade. Jambawan.
That was against Jaisurya.
That was against Jaisurya.
Raider out, super tackle, one defender out.
I could hear Akshay Desai in my ears. He said Raider out, super tackle. Radhika, you're right.
One defender out of
So,
bounds, 1 point.
oh, one defender also gone. Yeah, so, of course, Surya Saravanan has done what he was being asked to do from the bench. Let's look at that, Radhika. There you go.
Yeah, asymmetric super tackle. That's a good touch. Kick there, but then, yeah, he came off the bench. I mean, off the lob. That was great. I think that should be the star moment.
Sure it is. Super tackle situation. Abhi Kumar goes in. Gautam Murugan. And it's Jambawan Jaisurya. He can do everything that he wants to do to escape. And he will! Well. As we always say, Supra Saf. It is a complete cleanup that's been done here by Jambawan Jaisurya and against Gautam Murugan and Abhi Kumar. Radhika, Gautam Murugan, I don't know when he was facing against Jaisurya in any competitive match, but this is it.
Brilliant. Look at that. Once he's been, caught in a similar situation, Naveen, but the confidence, the power, the will he has towards the team, I think it's phenomenal, Naveen. Look at that. I like this. India won ATM star moment. I think we'll get to see most of them.
That's correct. He'll first come and ask me. என்னப்பா ராதிகா இப்படி எல்லாம் பேசுறாங்க நம்மள பத்தி like yeah, that's how it is. Oh, Ghanshyam. What he wanted to do?
Raider out.
He saw the midline and he wanted to jump.
Palani Tuskers.
And he was just
He wanted
tackled
to fly.
mid-air, saying he will tackle him and make him sit on the bench. But not even a single time that he's been tackled out. Right. Do or raid. Second one for the Tuskers. And again, it's Kesavan Raja. I would have thought you tend in Ilan Jillian once again. Just throw him in the grinder. Because it's going to be tough. You're sending your premium raider every time. Bonus attempt. That's it. Gone. There was a trap that was being set for the bonus. And no bonus as well. And the Steelers are stealing all. That's all he could manage is Yogesh Chahal. So tell me now, Radhika. Oh, well, I was about to ask you. Abhi Kumar gets up and has a thigh-fi. And they all lift him up. Hey, guys, come on. He's your enemy today. Well. No, Radhika, I didn't like this. Okay, forget the ankle hold. No, look at when... No. See. Keep rolling this. Okay, look at how many people come and lift him up. 1, 2, 3. Hey. He will go. After Mayank Saini, they have not got anything big. And this is their strongest moment. 52%, 11 to 20th minute.
Of course, the tackle strike rate for Junior Steelers is it now. So next minute is what we get to see is the maximum they convert into the defensive
Red
points.
accept.
But
1
then
point.
Palni Tuskers
Palni Tuskers.
still
Number
managed
2
to
out.
get a rate how to correct them. And
Now-
Jayasuriya, after a long time, he's come back on the opponent court, Naveen.
Yeah, our data team
In
will
a
tell
defense
us.
of 5, I don't think he'll do much now.
Oh, that was exactly what Karnan said.
out.
And Harik,
1 point.
and now come
Palani
on, Abhi
Tuskers.
Kumar also just taps on Jayasuriya's back. Jayasuriya taps on Abhi Jayasuriya, then Abhi Kumar. Well, Harish
Red accept
Kamachal.
points.
Radhika,
Palani Tuskers.
exactly what Karnan told.
Number
Why
5
is the
and
cover
11
not
out.
standing outside? And Jayasuriya is back on the bench.
Of course, and again, look at that. That swift, quick raid got 2 raid points. The raider Naveen. Slowly they are, lessening the margin. That kick, and again, half coming from the left corner. Sahil. And
Oh, right. Right. Perfect. Each 1 point. Correct. Now, I think this is the first do or die raid here for Gunsh who's come in. Can he get it? Gautam Murugan. Oh, no, I understand why he's staring at Abhi Kumar. Now, I completely understand this because Abhi should have
Red accept.
come in
1
and had
point.
a
Junior
outward.
Steelers 17 out.
See,
when you are standing in the corners or in the covers, Naveen, you
Oh,
can't
okay.
crisscross to your footwork so that your outer body will be facing the raider.
Yeah. So mistake on both the defenders maybe. See, Abhi Kumar also and Gautam not going back. Now Harish Kamachi, he's struggling with the defense of 4. Surprise tackle comes in. That's it. Oh, well, that was really surprising from Nitish Malik.
Raider out.
Oh, tell me something. I
1
think
point.
oh, that is so
Junior
sweet to
Steelers.
watch. Yogesh Chahal says sorry to Harish Kamachi. Oh, that is so nice. Lovely sportive spirit being
Half-time.
shown and
Center court.
half time. And I think the Steelers are holding the flag. Now watch this. It's so nice, Radhika. Really. He did not hit him, but still, he was just saying sorry to Harish Kamachi. 20 minutes belongs to you.
Yeah.
That was being given.
It's a do or die. And Naveen, they haven't
Yes.
converted any do or die raids. They had 3, they had nothing of that. So, will Junior Steelers steal this one as well?
But it's kind of tough against Rajit Mathamogan. Has he got to? Yes, he has. Nilesh Shinde and Yogesh Chahal, 2 points.
Number 2.
Brilliant
and 10
escape.
out.
First ankle hold, he jumps away. And then Yogesh Chahal. Oh my God. Yogesh, I know he's unhappy with Nilesh.
Not before, before
Yeah.
when the U All-Star Championship started.
Good question. Very good question. Because, see, I think. Oh, whoa. How much time has he got? Look at that. He's got Shaktivel Tangavelu. First, he tries to get his hand on the left in, and then he's got so much
Red
time
accept,
because the
1
covers
point.
are not coming
Junior Steelers,
behind
number
on the
7
dash. But
out.
nevertheless, very good discussion. So, Radhika, I think, see, the teams are trying to field their.
Red.
The next.
It was a bit of risking him
Yeah.
because we wanted to show him Aage Ka Rasta.
Yeah.
And again, he's been put out in this contest. And maybe will he be able to find a place again in the professional league if something goes wrong?
Raider out.
I will
1
say.
point. Junior
I would say
Steelers.
do well here. Of course, because injury free, how to recover from injuries. Because kabaddi and injuries are like, what do I say? Shirt,
The twin
And-
brothers, is it?
yeah, shirt and banyan. What else do I say?
And Jayasuriya once again in a super tackle opportunity here for them, and he strips it out
Super tackle,
completely
4
for the
points.
second time.
Junior
I think
Steelers.
this is done and
All out.
dusted. Palni
Palni
Tuskers.
Tuskers.
Yes, the revenge is on from the juniors.
Yeah, totally on. Abhi Kumar and Shekhar Sankar, what went wrong? This is the second time. He's just getting that supra off, all out, that goes in. Abhi, weak attempt. I think also that distance, he was very far away. He's got all the time in the world as he walks away nicely. Jambavan just said, oh, well, what are we trying to say? Yeah, okay. There we get the frame back. But Again, if you speak of Ranjit Madan Mohan, he's not got the height. He's got the speed, yes. He's not got the height. Milan Tendril, again a short raider. Chain tackle and they nab him down. Brilliant. Now he cannot break the chain and go
Raider
off.
out. 1 point.
So can
Palani
this be a
Tuskers.
chance?
Do or
Correct.
die.
But again, we should have heard what Karnan also told his players. Right on in next time. Do what I rate. Gansham. Radhika. All success today for the junior Steelers in the do or die rate. And Abhi Kumar. Oh no, that's 2 points.
Raider
It
safe.
was so close
2
yet so
points.
far.
Junior
And
Steelers.
both Abhi Kumar
Number
and
3
Saktivel Thangavelu.
and 7 out.
And this is, I think, there's a third successful duo love to escape from wherever.
Yeah, true, very true. And that block also was not very strong, was not very deep inside the back line. Yeah, there was a problem. Jump. Can he go through? Yes, he can. Another 2-pointer
Raider
from
safe.
Harish
2
Kamachi.
points. Palani Tuskers.
And he's once
Number
again
10
targeted
and
Yogesh
11
Chahal.
out.
Lack of coordination, or maybe that he gets points, he plays by his strength.
Yes,
That's
yes.
a super tackle opportunity. Grab it.
No.
2 points.
Yeah, 2 points. Harish Kamachi,
Raider.
he is fired up a
Raider.
little. The defender is gone.
Thank you. Review successful. 2 points.
Lovely.
Palani Tuskers.
Nice. Harish
A
Kamachi
quick
was
observation, Naveen. A quick
Only Tuskers,
observation.
you have
The
written
line
your-
umpire was already raising his hand, saying the left corner was in the lobby.
correct. Very correct.
Substitution. Palani
I think-
Tuskers.
Look at that.
4
Look
out.
at that.
Ah.
1 in.
I think one defender, but nevertheless, that touch is what Rabir Singh Ji, the television umpire, has seen. So it's okay.
But I think those should be 2 extra points for the team and not for the Raider, Naveen.
yeah,
Yeah, that's where the stats we're talking about.
probably.
Otherwise, I have no problem giving away 2 points for Palani Tuskers because that's
No,
what it
see.
is.
You are a defender as a player. You're talking like a defender like Mohit Chillar. The Raiders also get some points.
Raider safe. 3 points.
Oh my God! What has he done?
Great.
What has he done?
Jai Surya.
Number 3, 6 and 1 out.
अंतिम 2 मिनट
Yeah, that's it. It's a super raid. They're just now they're not lifting him up. They're all putting his head down, even with 5 defenders on the mat. Esaki,
Now let's
no,
go
it's
back.
Abhi Kumar first.
Red.
Lack of coordination between the corners and the in position there, Naveen. Both of them went
Does not have to give the Tuskers 2 points. But what Harish Kamachi done today? How many raid points that he has got? Another! Oh no, Raider out. They've
Raider
got a
out.
review. The
1
Tuskers
point.
have got a
Junior
review which they
Steelers.
want to exercise.
that they would be there. Whether they win or lose, they will be still on the 4th spot. And Junior Steelers, after winning this also, they will be on the 5th. Naveen, nothing would change after this match, but only things change when Junior Steelers go ahead and win all the matches going forward. Only then they will find a place in the top 4. Again, third time,
my
Naveen,
God.
he does it. He sweeps it out for the third time.
Junior Steelers.
All out.
All out. Palani
Oh
Tuskers.
my God. Because I was talking about the progressive points table just to check the score difference of the Palani Tuskers now. How much of negativity that will come back and hunt them. Again, 2 strong defenders. Gautam Murugan, Shaktivel Thangavelu. Have they really given it up? Again,
Maybe a
dramatic for me.
20. Maybe a 20. Because if Ghanshyam gets another point, it would be 20. So easy for us to calculate. Yeah, it's a 20 plus. Minus 20 plus. 13 plus. Oh my God.
Yeah,
it's
that
a
is why.
33 minus 33 is what Palani Tuskers will be on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, math teacher.
Raider safe.
Ah.
1 point. Junior Steelers.
As I
Number
will
6
leave
out.
you with the commentary box's controls, and I will right away go talk to Jambawan and ask his lovely outing
Match
against
over.
his ex-team. I like to talk about people with their exes.
46 to 26, a 20-point massive victory for